Good morning po from Cebu City, Mary Chris, and si Sir Joel from Cagayan de Oro. Good morning po sa inyo from Cagayan de Oro. And those who are listening, message me. Let me know where you are from. Nakadiscuss na po tayo ng osteoarthritis, which is yung wear and tear po. Osteoarthritis, meron po tayong mga supplements, totoo, na gumagana. Pero meron ding supplements na hindi po may epekto sa arthritis. Meron ding gamot na safe, meron ding gamot na hindi masyadong safe na nakakasira sa kidney at saka sa tiyan po. So I want you to be very careful in self-medicating kasi alam ko po mura yung mga gamot pero nakakabutas ng tiyan, yung some medications, yung iba naman nakakasira ng kidney po. So going back, ano pa ba yung mga other causes ng knee pain? We talked about pain sa harap ng tuhod. Ito po yung kneecap pain or patellofemoral pain, pain in the front of the knee. If you think that your pain is nasa harap ng tuhod, tapos your kicking is painful, nagbebend ko ng tuhod, pero kay kicking na painful or painless, that is usually a sign of a muscle tightness or muscle imbalance. Not always arthritis, but to prove po na merong arthritis, we really need to confirm using x-rays. Kasi lalo na pag mga